In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. If you're looking to share documents, guides, or any other important PDFs with your audience, you've come to the right place. Adding a PDF viewer to your website can enhance your visitor's experience by delivering information in a format that's easy to read and navigate. Let's dive into the process. To start, you'll need to head over to your Wix editor. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find the Add Elements panel. This is a powerhouse of features and tools that Wix offers to help customize your site. Click on it, and a range of options will unfold before you. Next, you'll want to find the Embed Code section. This part of the Wix editor allows you to integrate various codes and apps into your site, expanding its functionality. Scroll through the options until you locate the PDF Viewer app. This is the tool we'll use to display your PDF directly on your website. However, if you don't see the PDF Viewer right away, there's no need to worry. Wix makes it easy to find what you're looking for with their search function. Simply go to the search bar located at the top right of the panel and type in PDF Viewer. This should quickly bring up the correct app. After locating the PDF Viewer app, go ahead and add it to your site. This is as simple as a click, and the app will be incorporated into your page. Once the PDF Viewer is on your site, click on it, and a set of options will appear. Among these options, you'll see Upload PDF. This feature allows you to upload the specific document you want to share with your audience. Choose your PDF file from your computer, and it will be uploaded directly to your site. Now, with your PDF uploaded, it's time to add it to the page. You'll be able to do this through the options that appear once you've uploaded your document. Lastly, you'll want to make sure the PDF is presented neatly on your site. You can adjust the size of the PDF viewer to suit your layout and design preferences. Whether you want it to take up a little space or stand out on the page, simply click and drag the corners to resize the PDF viewer to your liking. This flexibility ensures that your document will blend seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. And there you have it. A straightforward way to add a PDF to your Wix website. Not only does this enhance the professionalism and accessibility of your site, but it also provides added value to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.